It seems like there's a strategic shift happening as we speak. Mnangagwa is currently serving his second term as president of Zimbabwe. Despite previously hinting at a possible third term, Mnangagwa has recently taken a different turn. Instead of pushing for a direct extension of his presidency through a third term, which would stir significant controversy and require extensive constitutional changes, Mnangagwa and his close allies are exploring another route. They're considering amending the constitution to separate the dates of parliamentary and presidential elections. This would effectively delay the next presidential election until 2030, extending his rule by 2 additional years, without the need for a third term. This strategic pivot comes amid intense internal opposition within his own party, ZANU-PF. A significant figure in this opposition is none other than Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who leads a powerful faction within the party. Their resistance made the third-term option unfeasible, paving the way for this new approach. But why does this matter? Well, the proposed changes would allow Mnangagwa to maintain his grip on power, setting up a scenario where he could potentially influence the selection of his successor. Critics argue that this is just another tactic to extend his influence in Zimbabwean politics, bypassing the democratic process and potentially undermining electoral integrity. What's more, this isn't just about the presidency. By altering the election timeline, Mnangagwa could also affect the parliamentary elections, reshaping the political landscape to favor his party and his preferred policies. This development has sparked a lot of debates. While some see it as a clever political strategy, others view it as a dangerous precedent that could destabilize Zimbabwe's already fragile democracy. The international community is also watching closely, as these changes could have broader implications for regional stability in southern Africa. So, what's next? As these plans are still unfolding, it's crucial to keep an eye on how they progress. Will Mnangagwa succeed in his plan? Or will internal and external pressures force a rethink of these controversial amendments? Only time will tell. Your thoughts are valuable. Let us know what you think about Mnangagwa's strategy in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.